Happy New Year, everyone. It's nice to have this opportunity to catch you up on what we are thinking the year 2025 is going to bring. So I'd like to just share with you three of our expectations for this year. First of all, Wi-Fi 7 is coming, and we're going to see a good ramp in the enterprise Wi-Fi market. We had a big inventory correction that's more or less ended as of last year. And the thing that's happening with Wi-Fi 7 is in markets that allow 6 gigahertz to operate, we're going to have 3 radios on these access points. 3 radios means we're going to have at least 1.5 times more power. And what's happening with these Wi-Fi access points is they consume more power, and therefore the Ethernet switching infrastructure that delivers power to these access points has to change. So we're looking at an upgrade cycle for campus switching. At the same time, we're going to be looking at a Wi-Fi 7 access point upgrade. So that's the first thing I'd like to share with you. The second thing is we're seeing a shift in the enterprise storage market. It's subtle, but it is important because it can lead to shifts in market shares and leadership. So what's happening in storage infrastructure is artificial intelligence spending in servers is growing very rapidly, but it's not actually dragging that much of a change in storage spending. But in fact, what's happening is at the very largest companies, the hyperscalers, they're looking to conserve power. And what that means is they're considering changing out the kind of storage infrastructure they have from hard drive based to flash based to save money. And it is a bit counterintuitive because the infrastructure is already in place, but because these disks consumes a lot of power, there's a driving need to reduce power to free up space for artificial intelligence GPU clusters. Okay, and then the third thing I want to talk about is in the telecommunications industry, some of the vendors I have been interviewing recently are expecting that pricing for the components that they buy will go down. Well, I've spoken to a number of component vendors, and they're saying just the opposite. They're saying that pricing of semiconductors and a lot of the things that lead to the bill of materials for the telecommunications products, those components pricing isn't going down, but it's going up. So we actually think there is a bit of a margin squeeze coming, and some companies are going to be surprised here with pricing in the telecom industry. Well, thanks very much, guys. I really appreciate the opportunity here to share my thoughts.